The ribbon is where your Christmas tree comes to life, flowing, elegant, and full of texture. More than just an accessory, ribbon transforms a simple tree into a statement of festive artistry. It ties together ornaments, lights, and color themes to create harmony and holiday magic. From shimmering golds and reds to modern silvers and rustic plaids, every strand tells a story. Whether your style is elegant, playful, or contemporary chic, the right ribbon can completely redefine your Christmas tree's look. So grab your favorite spools, fluff those branches, and let's wrap your tree in creativity, texture, and holiday glow. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your cozy corner for all things festive and stylish. In today's video, we're diving into Christmas tree ribbon ideas, from easy DIY wrapping techniques to elegant color combinations and modern ribbon trends that will make your holiday tree truly unforgettable. How to decorate a Christmas tree with ribbon. Before you start, always fluff your tree and step back to visualize your layout. The most popular method is the Cascade or waterfall style, weaving ribbon vertically from top to bottom in soft waves. You can also try the spiral wrap technique, where ribbon flows diagonally around the tree, giving it movement and fullness. Mix textures like satin, velvet, or mesh for depth and contrast. Use floral wire or ornament hooks to secure ribbon in place. It helps it look effortlessly draped, not forced. If you love classic ribbon decorating tips, make sure to like this video and share it with friends setting up their trees this season. Choosing the best ribbon for your Christmas tree. The type of ribbon you choose sets the mood for your entire tree. Wired edge ribbons hold their shape perfectly, while organza and mesh ribbons give an airy, ethereal feel. For traditional looks, go for satin, burlap, or plaid. Experiment with widths. Combine a 4-inch wide ribbon for dramatic flow with a 1-inch accent ribbon for detailing. Mixing materials like metallic threads, velvet trims, or sequined edges creates an expensive, layered finish. What's your favorite ribbon style? Classic velvet, metallic mesh, or cozy plaid? Let us know in the comments below. Elegant Christmas tree ribbon ideas. If you love timeless elegance, gold and red ribbon combinations never go out of style. Layer gold mesh behind satin red ribbons for a regal, glowing tree. Add gold ornaments, crystal baubles, and soft white lights for a warm, luxurious finish. For a modern, elegant twist, try champagne gold with ivory. It's subtle, sophisticated, and looks stunning in both traditional and minimalist spaces. Accent with bows at key points, like branch ends or the topper, to give your tree a designer, boutique feel. Check out our elegant Christmas decor playlist in the description for more ideas on pairing ribbons, lights, and ornaments for luxury looks. Modern and minimalist ribbon decorating ideas. If you're going for a sleek, modern tree, simplicity is key. Use neutral ribbons in silver, beige, or matte white. Create vertical folds instead of wrapping for a structured, airy design. For a Scandinavian-inspired look, pair linen or jute ribbons with white ornaments and wooden accents. It's cozy yet clean. Love a bit of glam? Try a metallic ombre ribbon that shifts color under the lights. Perfect for 2025's trending modern metallics theme. If you're loving these modern ribbon ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly Christmas styling inspiration. DIY Christmas tree ribbon decor and creative techniques. You don't need expensive ribbons to make a statement. You can DIY your own by cutting fabric strips, repurposing old table runners, or layering lace over burlap for a unique texture. Try creating ribbon clusters, small bundles of ribbon loops tied with wire to tuck into branches. Combine 2 or 3 colors for dimension and visual interest. Add ribbon bows as ornament replacements, perfect for filling gaps and giving your tree that full designer touch. Want more DIY Christmas tree and ribbon decor ideas? Check the description for related videos filled with creative tutorials and step-by-step guides. Decorating a Christmas tree with bows and ribbon. For a picture-perfect finish, combine bows with your ribbon theme. Use oversized bows at the top for drama or mini bows throughout for balance. Stick to your color palette, gold, red, or neutral, and repeat the pattern throughout for harmony. Remember, bows act like ornaments. They add shape, fullness, and festive personality. Your ribbon tells the story of your Christmas tree. Whether it's classic, modern, or totally DIY, it brings everything together with elegance and flow. From gold and red luxury to rustic plaids and soft metallics, there's no wrong way to design a ribbon-wrapped masterpiece. So this season, experiment, layer, and let your creativity shine. Because when it comes to Christmas trees, the ribbon is what makes the magic happen. Enjoyed these Christmas tree ribbon ideas? Hit like and share to spread the festive inspiration. Which style will you try? Gold and red elegance, modern neutral, or DIY charm? Tell us below. Don't miss our Christmas tree decor playlist for ribbon, ornament, and lighting inspiration. Subscribe to Decor Design Ideas for weekly holiday decorating tutorials and trend updates. Watch related videos on modern tree styling, bows, and elegant Christmas decor ideas in the description.